Smart IELTS Prediction and Last-Minute Strategies. 8th November 2025, IDP and British Council. Before you start, join our Telegram group for daily speaking and writing updates, plus reading PDFs and listening audios from recent exams. Practice complete listening tests on our YouTube channel. Visit our websites for the latest cue cards, Band 9 essays and CBT mock tests. www.ieltsonestop.com, www.ieltsonestopcbt.com. Speaking, cue cards and parts. Smart tips for 8th November. Keep your answers natural. Speak as if in a real conversation, not rehearsed lines. Connect ideas with phrases like, from my perspective. It often happens that a personal example is. Give concrete examples to support opinions. Storytelling makes answers memorable. Focus on pacing, stress, and intonation. Clarity beats speed. Use short pauses to collect thoughts instead of fillers like or 1:1 IELTS speaking and writing classes. 7-day intensive 45-day, 1-month packages, free demo available. Likely cue cards September to December 2025. Number 1. Describe a book you read that you found useful. Number 2. Describe a successful sports person you admire. Number 3. Describe a time when you saw something interesting on social media. Number 4. Describe a time when you told your friend an important truth. Number 5. Describe a good habit your friend has and you want to develop. Number 6. Describe an exciting activity you have tried for the first time. Number 7. Describe a time when the electricity suddenly went off. Number 8. Describe a time when someone apologized to you. Number 9. Describe a singer whose music, songs you like. Number 10. Describe an occasion when you lost your way. Number 11. Describe a talk you gave to a group of people. Number 12. Describe a city you have been to and would like to visit again. Number 13. Describe a popular place for sports, for example, a stadium, that you have been to. Number 15. Describe a time when you saw a lot of plastic waste, for example, in a park or on the beach. Number 15. Describe an important decision made with the help of other people. Part 1 topics: daily life, hobbies and free time, technology use, travel experiences, music and entertainment. Part 3 themes: influence of technology, environmental awareness, decision making and problem solving, cultural changes, health and lifestyle. Band 9 speaking samples, www.ieltsonestop.com. Writing, task predictions and advice. Writing tips for 8th November. Clearly state your opinion or main idea in the introduction. Support ideas with one strong example per paragraph. Paraphrase questions naturally, avoid repeating words. For task 1, focus on key trends, patterns or stages. Leave 4 to 5 minutes at the end to check grammar, linking words and coherence. Academic task 1 predictions. Line graph, population, unemployment or GDP trends. Bar chart, energy consumption, internet usage. Table, education statistics or tourism data. Process, recycling, water filtration or coffee production. Academic task 2 predictions. Should schools teach financial literacy? To what extent do you agree? The impact of artificial intelligence on jobs, positive and negative aspects. Longer life expectancy, challenges and solutions. Online learning versus classroom learning, effectiveness comparison. Should governments focus on public transport over roads? Discuss both sides. General training letter predictions. Requesting flexible working arrangements. Complaining about delayed or poor services. Inviting a friend to an event. Informing neighbors about construction work. Asking for guidance or advice. Free Band 9 samples. www.ieltsonestopcbt.com. Reading, trends and themes. Reading tips for 8th November. Underline keywords and synonyms while scanning. Practice finishing each passage in 19 minutes. For headings, check the first and last sentences of paragraphs carefully. For true, false, not given, rely on facts stated in the passage, not opinions. Likely academic topics: climate change and sustainability, human psychology and behavior, innovation in renewable energy, evolution of communication technologies, scientific discoveries and their history. GT reading topics: workplace instructions and guidelines, travel and tourism brochures, job postings and advertisements, volunteer work announcements, community events and notices. Practice real-style reading tests. www.ielts1stop.com. Listening. Expected sections. Listening tips for 8th November. Anticipate the type of answer: number, name, noun or place. Listen for contrast and emphasis words like however, in contrast, actually. Stay calm. Answers generally follow the order in the audio. Check spelling, plurals, and small details carefully. Likely pattern. Section 1. Booking inquiry, hotel, travel or event. Section 2. Community or local information talk. Section 3. Academic discussion or research group. Section 4. Lecture on environment, technology or psychology. Practice CBT listening tests. www.ielts1stop.com. Final SMART strategies. Writing. Structure clearly, 5 minutes planning, 30 minutes writing, 5 minutes reviewing. Reading, spot keywords, eliminate obviously wrong answers, manage time. Listening, stay focused, anticipate answers, check plurals and spelling. Speaking, confidence and fluency greater than perfection, use examples and reasoning. Free resources to boost score. Latest cue card PDF www.ielts1stop.com. Band 9 essays and vocabulary www.ielts1stopcbt.com. Free CBT mock tests www.ielts1stopcbt.com. Daily practice material, join our Telegram group.